I'm Patricia from Hermes Corporation, and I see we have Roy Greg, yes, from National Aquarium.
Yes, hello. It's from
Hi.
Malta National Aquarium here.
We don't see each other for many years, so.
No, not really.
Thank you for joining, also for our event today.
You're welcome. Thank you for inviting. Hopefully it should be an interesting way forward as well for us as an industry.
Yes, it makes totally sense to participate with us in this project.
I'm Simon from Bianco's restaurant.
Hi, hello, Simon. Thank you for joining us today.
Hi, I'm Richard from La Lafayette Limited. We deal with horticulture mainly. So we had quite a few experiences now, and we hope that we can have some positive feedback this time again.
Thank you. Yes, all of us, we are cooperating together with our students. This project is a bit similar, but it's not Erasmus Plus, but the concept is going to be very similar.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, Patricia, good afternoon. Going to... I think I will just wait maybe another minute and then we can start.
Okay.
Okay, I will start the event. Eventually, some other companies will join us soon. So as I'm Patricia from Hermes Corporation, you already know our company because we cooperate together. And this time we have been inviting the companies to know our new project, that is Move On project. This project started in November 2020, and it's an ongoing process. And this meeting, the purpose of this meeting is to disseminate the project within Maltese companies, because the companies are going to be an important part of this project. I have prepared a presentation. It's a short presentation just to explain in which consists the project and what are the benefits for the companies and how it will be organized, this mobility. I will start sharing with you the presentation. So, sorry. So our project Move On is a cooperation between Sicily and Malta. This program belongs to the Interreg Italia-Malta program. That's why I was explaining before, it's not an Erasmus Plus project, but belongs to this program. And in Malta is coordinated by the Funds and Programs division. I'm just, and in Maltese cooperated by Funds and Program Division. We issued a public notice on the 6th December 2021. This public notice is the assignment of the vouchers for the participants that we will select for this project. And being a cooperation between Malta and Sicily, we are from our side, we are recruiting 25 Maltese candidates, and our project partner will recruit, sorry, I have some problem here in the computer. And our project partner will recruit 75 participants from Sicily. So our project, the lead partner that is Italian is the ACSS for SEO. They are the lead partner for this project, and they are recruiting the 75 Sicilian participants that will join us in Malta. And the purpose is that the companies in Malta will give an opportunity to these 75 Sicilian students to do an internship in your companies. The internships will have a duration of 6 months. So this is a great plus of this project. And each candidate will receive a very good grant. In total, for the duration of the 6 months, they will receive 12,000 euros. The sectors that are included in this project are blue economy, health and quality of life, environment protection, and tourism, which is an important sector either in Malta or in Sicily. So we are at the moment recruiting 25 Maltese candidates, and the lead partner is almost concluding the selection of the 75 participants that will come from Sicily. We will start receiving the applications of the candidates very soon, I would say now in March. So during the next months, we are able to start recruiting the companies according to the profiles of the candidates too. The project the mobility should be concluded by 30 September of 2022. However, we are trying to extend the deadline of the project, and eventually, if we have the approval, we might extend it till 2nd May of the next year. So we will give more opportunity for the candidates to have more time to organize themselves, and they will be distributed according in the next few months to arrive in Malta. From our side now, at the moment, we are also involving and disseminating this project for the companies, which gives the opportunity to participate in this project, to cooperate in a European project, also to start a network of collaborations, getting to know not only between Malta and then the cooperating with the companies in Sicily. It's one of the purposes of the project. Of course, to be able to have workforce free of charge through these financed internships, and for during 6 months, which is a great opportunity, and eventually, who knows, contribute to employ some of the candidates. And throughout this process, the companies that will be involved can count with the organizational support and training opportunities. Hello. Okay, I see that someone joined, but if you can switch off the microphone, I appreciate.
Maybe from here.
Yes. They are not listening to
Hello.
us. Okay. I will continue. So for some of the companies have already registered on the website of the project. However, I will explain how is the process. I know that also some of the companies had some difficulty to register because there were some technical problems, but everything has been solved. So what we are asking is the companies that are interested in cooperating in the project and receiving then the participants to do the internship, they just need to enter on the website on moveon-italiamalta.it. There's a section of just related for companies. They just need to click there. Then we have the companies Malta, click on participate. And as you can see, there is already the documentation related available to be downloaded. And the next step is just to fill in this form. It's very easy with the name, the email address, the VAT number, and which company sector, a brief description of the company, and send the information. After that, you will receive the confirmation on the website that the requests have been successfully sent, and then you might be contacted, and it appears straight away the documentation that it's required to be submitted to participate in the project. That is the expression of interest. So there's a PDF with this information that I'm explaining now, and there is the other document that needs to be filled in and signed by the legal representative of the company. Basically, it includes the information of the company, the address, the VAT number, which sector, details of the company, and it needs to be sent to the following email address, hermesmoveon@gmail.com, together with the ID card of the legal representative too. So we require these two documents to be able to then receive the participants. In case some of you that are in contact also with our team, you can send directly to us, and we will save the documents. All the companies that are interested in participating can register at any time till the end of the project. Of course, that we will verify if all the information is requested is done, but we are, of course, the project is open, and we would like that as much as companies possible can participate. And then we will also include in our website of the project a dedicated section for the companies that are cooperating with us, with your logo, with a brief description of the company. So let's say that is also a very good publicity for all the companies that want to join us. I will now explain which type of participants can apply to our project and that you can expect as an intern. So basically we require that the candidates are over 18 till 29 years old. However, in case someone that applies is a disadvantaged person or has some sort of disability, there is no age limit. The candidates need to be resident, in this case, in Sicily. They need to possess an education level minimum with an MKF level 5 or superior, and they need to be unemployed. Because also one of the purposes of this project is to give and proportion initiative of maybe a first employment for a lot of candidates, and or an opportunity for others that are older but are looking for a different opportunity in their life. After the selection of the candidates and before they start the internship, there are the Voucher Granting Act that we will sign with the participant, but we also prepare an agreement to be signed between us, the participant, and the company selected. This agreement will have the description, of course, of the company, of the tasks, which is the personal plan for that student, and basically all the conditions between the company and the student. Later on, we will produce final reports, middle reports, and a certificate of this internship for each candidate. Regarding the working hours for the participants, because there are rules that are connected also with the grant that the participants will receive, we stipulated that the candidates need to work a minimum of 6 hours per day, which correspond to 20 days per month and the 6 hours per day, and mandatory during the 6 months, a total of 120 days and 720 hours. We also, it is possible, these are the minimum criteria for the participants. However, it is possible that they work more than, it's possible that they work more than 6 hours. This will be agreed between with the company and us, and will be informed to the participant. In case of an absence, or let's suppose the participants, of course, that can happen sick leave or any other justifiable reason for their absence at work, we then consider that they should reach an agreement with the company to recover these hours. So in case they miss one day, they might recover it, and so they can have the total amount of hours in the stipulated period. I still wrote here 30 September 2022, but in case the program will be extended, this period will be extended too. Regarding the mobility support, we will offer the travel expenses to each candidate, but they also will be, they will have an accident insurance and the third-party liability insurance. So, of course, in terms of work, everything will be guaranteed to the participants and also to the companies. The participants will can count with a move on information desk, so they will have they will be tutored also from our side regarding all the support they need throughout the mobility, of course other aspects for them, including the accommodation and everything they need in case we need to mediate any sort of situation between the companies and the students and the participants. The next steps also that we are planning to disseminate the project, we will organize in the next months 3 network meetings. These meetings are to promote within the companies the public notice for the vouchers. And at the end of this project, it will be, we will create a national memorandum within all the companies that have participated in the project. So one of the aspects is also to create this cross-border network between Maltese companies and Sicilian companies. As I mentioned before, for all questions before receiving the participants and during the internships, We have a move on desk. We have also, of course, we are available, located in Hermes office. There is this email address for all sort of questions. And I also have here my email for any clarification that you may need, or in the future then when we have the candidates. That is patricia.hermescorporation@gmail.com. And of course, we hope we can count with all of you in this project. We have the website. There are all the news related to this project. We are also active on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. We would like that you could follow us, and all the news and all the information is updated all the time in our website. So this is the presentation, and if someone wants to, I don't know, ask me something, feel free to drop a comment.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
With regards to the dates of the placements, are they fixed or will they depending on when the candidate applies?
They will depend on
What time or when the candidates will be approved?
So we had different phases of the application of the students. They had been evaluated, and they are being some of them they are in the phase of selecting all the candidates. So I don't think I will receive all the candidates at the same time, and I probably will start to receive the first applications in March, which means that they can start during the next month or starting in April. And then from the moment they start, they have 6 months of the internship. So basically, each candidate that you will receive from that date onward, it will count 6 months.
So they can stay more than September. I mean, if they start in May, they have to stay 6 months from May to.
Yes, if that happens. So that is a situation that is now ongoing. If they approve the extension of our project, yes, that will happen. We can receive, let's say, candidates in May and they will finish later. In case the extension of the project will not be approved, for sure we have to start in March to be concluded in September. Another detail, for instance, some of the companies, eventually, if you have some particular notes or requests for the participants or working hours or other details, you can also feel free to send us an email. So we will know exactly which type of profile of candidate you are also looking for. It helps when we do the matching of candidates with companies, if there is something in particular. Okay, and okay, from our side, being this network operation, of course, that if you know other company mentors that might be interested, feel free also to spread the word, because we have 75 candidates, so we would like to reach a high number of companies that could participate in this project. Okay, so if there are no more comments, I really appreciate your time today to join us in this event, and I wish you a good weekend. And also the last request for those of you that didn't have the opportunity yet to send the expression of interest. You have registered in the Move On website, but it's missing the expression of interest. to fill in, to sign, and to send us back. We will also send you email to as a reminder to be easier. Okay. Thank you so much, and wish you a good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Professor.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.